Danny Romero Hideout Tip Tuesday is how to bob and weave the proper way. We have this apparatus where, got this good looking guy right there. This is emulating a punch coming at you, so it gives the athlete, a punch coming where he can move and learn how to bob and weave right. What the idea of it is that you have to, it's like sitting down on a chair. The punch is coming at you and you're trying to bob and weave underneath, bob and weave underneath. All the squats and everything we do when you practice helps you for this. Now, the bob and weave, you gotta have a great imagination that a punch is coming at you when you're just practicing your bob and weave, because you're bending here at your bottom, your hips, using your calves, using that strong base down here to bob and weave. Now, obviously you have this apparatus, good looking guy, throwing that punch at you, so you're bobbing and weaving under, bobbing and weaving under, bobbing and weaving under. We also talk about windshield wiping, which breaks right here at the hips. You break, windshield wipe, windshield wipe, windshield wipe. Now these are essential for when somebody is throwing a lot of punches at you or trying to time you for a jab. So, like this guy is trying to time us for a jab, and you're looking at him and you bob and weave under, bob and weave under, bob and weave under, bob and weave under. Real quick, really, really quick. Jab is coming at you, you don't just try to move under real slow and try to avoid the shot. Now you're going really fast. So you gotta keep everything together. Your bottom, your thighs, your calves, everything is working here so you can generate your movement, the bob and weave under. So when the punch miss, you counter with the body shot, you counter with the straight shot, whatever you prefer. But what's essential for your bob and weave is your bottom together, like sitting down on a chair, breaking at the waist, and all those bob and weave, windshield wiping, help you avoid punches coming at you. So you can counter, hit him with some body shots, continue to control him not to be doing that anymore, your opponent. This is Tip Tuesday for Danny Romero's Hideout.